Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's related to test the touch sampling rate test in the Realme GT smartphone. So this is a question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. The Realme GT officially has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, which we all do know, and a lot of users did ask me this kind of question. What is the default touch sampling rate? How much we are getting as a consumer? That is what I'm going to test right now in the Realme GT smartphone. So for that I need to use the application which is specially designed to test the touch sampling rate. So which is called the Touch Multi-Test. As you can see, this is the application name. So which is available in the Play Store and you can download and you can test it by yourself as well. And this is a real-time refresh rate option which I'm trying to show you. As you can see, from 60, when I'm touching the screen, it will change to 120 Hz. So now, as soon as I start moving my finger on this application, you can see the number it's up close to 360 only. As you can see, friends, it's not increasing much, so we are getting only 360 touch sampling rate at this point in this phone. So let me need to do the math. So you need to do the minus. So 360 minus whatever the refresh rate we are trying to use, that is what the touch sampling rate is in this Realme GT smartphone. So let me need to take the calculator. So here's the calculator, as you can see here. So let me need do the math. So 360 minus 120 Hz touch sampling rate. So we are getting 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So which is quite similar to the previous Realme phones which I did face. For example, Realme X1 Max and Realme X1, some other phone, Realme X1 Pro and other devices. So what are the companies claiming we are getting default as very low? So you may say, try to enable the GT mode and try to check it. So I did try to enable the GT mode and I did try to test it, but still the same result. As you can see, so you may think, try to add this application into the game space and try to test it. I'm trying to add in the game space. As you can see, I added into the game space as well. Let me do the testing. As you can see, still the same. I'm getting only 360. It's not increasing more than that. As you can see, even the game space also added. So even if you try to increase the touch optimization and if whatever things you do, it doesn't matter, but still the touch sampling rate is fixed exactly 240 Hz. You may think why we need to do the minus thing. We should not do the minus thing, because if you don't do the minus, we are getting exactly 360 Hz. That is what it is. But if you don't do the minus, for example, it is the Poco F3 GT. As you can see, friends, same application, so which is displaying around close to 600 number I'm getting, as you can see. But the phone officially has got only 480 Hz. So if you don't do the number in the Realme GT device, then you should not do even this kind of minus thing in this device. So the Poco F3 GT will be having 600 Hz touch sampling rate. So that's not possible, right? So that is the reason you need to do the always touch sampling rate, whatever the number you're getting in this application, minus the refresh rate. So same application, I did try to use plenty of other testing my phones as well, iQOO devices, even the OnePlus phones, Samsung phones, other devices. It was able to perform really good. But right now in the Realme phones and OnePlus Nord 2, there's a default is going on. Whatever the company is claiming we are not getting, and by default we are getting some other number. That's one thing which I thought of just addressing for you all in terms of the touch sampling rate in this Realme GT device. This is not problem with this Realme GT. This is a problem with the other phones as well from the Realme. Now even it got transferred to the OnePlus phones as well, with the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Even the OnePlus Nord 2, which has got 180 Hz default touch sampling rate, but we are getting only 120 Hz. That's the one thing. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick review on this touch sampling rate in this Realme GT device. In case if you have any other special request on this phone, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, try to follow the playlist which I have created for the Realme GT device, so which will be really helpful to get to know all the details about this phone. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.